Hi guys, one more objective measure. This is more a performance objective measure. So this is measuring how good your power is, and it's giving you a base measure that you can retest down the track. I know I've done a lot of objective measures of late, so I promise this is the last one for a while. But yeah, I just thought I'd show it. See, you can see I've got 2 cones. I've also got a tape measure. And what it is a standing jump test. And you might go 3 times and just get your best result. Then you've got this figure that you try to improve on down the track, whether it's 6 to 8 weeks down the track. You remeasure it, see if your power's improving. So what is power? So power is the amount of force that you can apply to the ground quite quickly. And it's this is a great measure according to yourself. Obviously everyone's got different sized limbs, everyone's at different weight, and everyone's got different strength, but it's just independent to you, a great measure that you can reapply to yourself down the track. So without further ado, let's get started, and I'll just show you a couple of variations. So the main one I want everyone to do is, look, I've got 2 cones, so you just need 2 socks or markers. I've got the tape measure in my hand, and then what you do is just line up with that first cone. You squat down and load up your spring. You get your arms involved, so down, and then you carry your arms through as you spring up. So, yep, and that was as good as I could go then. So you put the marker down, and then you would record the measure. So just for case in point, I'll measure between the 2 cones. So I'd say that is 145. So we just jumped a metre, almost a metre and a half. So 1 metre 45 centimetres. And then you get the best of 3 results. So I go again. And put it at your back foot, and then measure again. Metre 43, so not as good. I reckon on that I'll leave it. I'll just do it one more time, just a case in point. Metre 55. So metre 55 for my double leg jump. Okay, now that's a good one to measure your single leg. So, yep, so I just got to here. So I've done my right leg first. You do best of 3 goes. I'm just going to do 1, keep this video nice and succinct. So it was like a metre and 8 centimetres. I'll do my other side. This is my weaker side. So bend down. Yep. So 1 metre and 3, so 5 centimetres less. Okay, then it'd be nice to get the best of 3 results of it. I don't have enough room here, but you do a double jump. So why that's important is because while you're in the air, you have to be coordinated enough to hit the ground and then bounce again. And that's what you're doing while you're running. You're not just doing 1 jump. So see how far you can get with, 2 jumps. Yep, repetitive jumps, and then measure that. Then also, it'd be nice to just see how much of a difference there is between no arms and the one where the standing long jump, single leg jump, double leg jump, but single jump with 2 arms. Yep, and that's a good measure to see how much. If there's not much difference, then you're not very good at using your arms to kinetically use the force of your whole body and transfer it into power. So you really want to see that your one with both arms is further than the one with no arms. And mine is just, I just did it before. I'll write out my results so that you've got a bit of a gauge to go off. But I'd love to see some results down the track when you're up to this. Yeah, just a great one to reassess to see how good you're getting performance-wise from each step. How much bang for buck are you getting as you implant your foot on the ground? I mean, that's performance, isn't it? Like just getting a bit more power from each step, and that's why doing the strength training is important, but that's why also starting to add these box jumps in here and there, adding the skipping in here and there is important, because we're starting to apply our strength into power and into performance. So yeah, thought I'd better show everyone this objective measure because it gives us a little bit of a gauge, an objective number to deal with and to measure improvement. So good luck.